Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I want us to look at how you can be able to use Backspace more efficiently when you are using, especially when you're using Microsoft Word. Maybe you have been using it, but you find that when you press the Backspace, it only removes one character at a time. Did you know that you can be able to remove word by word? So when you press one word, it will be removed. When you press again, another word will be removed. How do you do this? So in the keyboard, you press the Control key together with the normal backspace key. So when you do Control and backspace, you'll be able to remove one word by word. So this will save your time. Thank you for today and thank you for watching. Remember to follow me, also comment, share, like, and also on my YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for your time.